Building an AI agent usually sounds exciting until you actually try to set one up. Suddenly, you need servers, API keys, deployment steps, and configuration files just to get started. For most people, the experiment ends before the agent even runs. But a new tool called MaxClaw takes a very different approach. Instead of building the infrastructure yourself, the agent launches instantly and starts running tasks right away. It runs in the cloud 24/7, so it keeps working even when you're not sitting in front of your computer. And you can even interact with it from messaging apps on your phone. So in this video, I'm going to walk through MaxClaw, show you how the platform works, and run a real example so you can see what this AI agent can actually do. And just as a quick note, MaxClaw might be one of the easiest ways to run your own OpenClaw agent without setting up servers or infrastructure. Welcome to AIChief. I'm Clay Fletcher. On this channel, we explore new AI tools and break them down with real examples so you can see exactly how they work. If you enjoy practical AI tutorials and tool demos, make sure to subscribe. You can also join the AIChief newsletter for weekly AI insights and tool discoveries. Now, let's take a look at MaxClaw. It is part of the MiniMax Agent platform, which works as an AI workspace where you can run intelligent agents to handle different tasks. The idea behind MaxClaw is fairly simple. Instead of deploying an AI agent on a server, managing infrastructure, and configuring APIs, you can launch one directly inside this environment and start using it immediately. The system runs on three main components. First is OpenClaw, an open-source framework that connects AI agents with different tools and messaging platforms. Second is the MiniMax M2.5 model, which powers the reasoning and task execution inside the agent. And third is a large ecosystem of pre-built expert agents designed for specific workflows, like research, automation, and analysis. Put these pieces together, and you essentially get a personal AI assistant that can analyze tasks, run workflows, and continue working in the background instead of just answering prompts. Right away, the interface feels pretty clean and straightforward. On the left side, you'll notice the main navigation panel, and this is where most of the platform is organized. At the top, you have New Task, which is where you can start different workflows or create new projects. Below that is Search, making it easy to find previous tasks, outputs, or anything the agent has generated. Then there's Assets, which is essentially your storage area. This is where files, documents, and generated content can be managed. Under that, you'll find the Gallery, where the platform shows different templates, prompts, and example workflows created by the community. And a little further down is the MaxClaw section, which is where the agent itself lives. So, the overall layout is pretty simple. Everything is accessible from this sidebar. Now, in the center of the screen, you'll see the MaxClaw workspace, which is where you can launch your personal AI agent. When you click Start Now, the platform asks you to upgrade your plan. That's because MaxClaw agents run directly in the cloud and stay active continuously, so the system needs to deploy the agent environment first. The cost is relatively small, and in return, the platform provides a hardened and secure environment for running your agent. Once that's done, you can move forward and start setting up your agent. And this is where things get interesting. After the workspace loads, the platform asks you to choose an expert to begin your MaxClaw journey. You'll notice that there are already several expert agents available here. These are pre-configured setups designed for specific types of tasks. So instead of building an agent from scratch, you can simply choose one and start working. There's also a default option, which gives you a flexible configuration if you want to customize your own agent later. But for this example, I want to try one of the existing agents. Let's open Topic Tracker. This agent is designed to monitor and analyze topics based on your input, which makes it useful for things like research, content planning, or trend discovery. Once the agent launches, the interface feels pretty smooth and easy to navigate. All you need to do is enter a prompt describing what you want the agent to analyze. After submitting the prompt, the agent starts chatting with you and begins processing the request. It takes a little time because the system is analyzing different signals and building a response instead of just returning a quick answer. While that's happening, you'll also notice a Files section inside the workspace. For example, if the agent creates documents, code files, or other structured outputs while completing a request, they appear here so you can open and review them. It works like a workspace panel, where the agent organizes the files produced during the process. Instead of digging through the chat to find outputs, you can access them directly from this files area. Once the analysis finishes, the agent returns a structured response. But before giving the final results, it asks a few quick questions about the channel, like the target audience, video style, and topics already covered. This helps the agent understand the context before doing the research. After that, it analyzes the channel and generates a list of topic ideas tailored specifically for it. In my case, it suggested several trending video topics, along with short explanations of why those topics could perform well for the channel. Now that gives you a quick idea of how one of the built-in agents works. But if you want something more flexible, MaxClaw also includes a default configuration that lets you run a general AI agent and customize it for different tasks. The default option works like a general assistant. Instead of focusing on a specific task like topic tracking or research, this agent can handle different types of requests depending on the prompt you give it. Once the agent launches, you can start interacting with it just like a normal assistant. You can ask it to research information, organize ideas, analyze data, or run different types of workflows depending on what you need. But one of the interesting things about MaxClaw is that it doesn't have to stay inside this dashboard. You can also connect the agent to messaging platforms and interact with it directly from there. For example, if you type "Connect Telegram," the agent will start the setup process. From here, you simply create a bot inside Telegram using BotFather. Copy the token and paste it into the workspace. Once that's done, the agent connects to your Telegram account. And now, you can interact with your AI agent directly from Telegram. You can send prompts, ask questions, or run tasks just like you would inside the platform. The difference is that the agent now lives inside your messaging app, so you can access it from anywhere without needing to open the dashboard. And once it's connected, you can start giving the agent instructions just like you would with a normal assistant. But unlike a typical chat tool, the agent can remember those instructions and continue working over time. For example, you could ask it to keep an eye on a topic you care about. Once that instruction is set, the agent remembers it and runs the task automatically. Since everything runs in the cloud, the process continues even if your browser is closed. Another interesting capability is adding new skills to the agent. Instead of manually setting up workflows, you can simply tell the agent what kind of skill you want. The agent will locate the skill, install it, and run the analysis step by step. And once you start using it this way, the agent becomes more than just a chatbot. You can give it ongoing tasks, connect it to platforms you already use, and let it handle things in the background while you focus on other work. For creators, that might mean tracking new tools, researching video ideas, or monitoring topics that are gaining attention. For teams, it could be running research tasks, organizing information, or responding to requests through messaging apps. The idea is simple. Instead of running everything manually, you describe the task once and let the agent handle it. If you want to explore MaxClaw yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. You can open the platform, launch your own agent, and experiment with the different experts and workflows available. And if you enjoy practical AI tool walkthroughs like this, make sure to subscribe to AIChief for more AI tutorials and demos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.